Hey guys, this is Michael Alexander with Coinsider. Today's May 3rd, about 9 a.m. New York time, and we have another quick charts for you. We have 4 analysts, we have updated prices. Sorry, I've been away traveling for a few days, so I haven't had the reports out, but we're going to get into it today with the new price action we've had. So we've had a lot of bullishness. And before we get back into the charts, first we have a link for the demo video, so if you haven't seen that, please click on it. And if you're not familiar with quick charts, what quick charts is we bring you the top analyst, we do the research, we put it all on one page so it can save you time in research, and hopefully you don't miss that next big move in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. So let's get into the research today. I haven't divided the analyst by bull or bear today. I just put in general key prices to look out for, as most of the analysts are short, medium term bull, and then a few are longer term, but for relevancy I'm just going to keep the four and keep an eye out for major prices to watch. So on the top left hand side here we had a 9200 dotted line here. If that broke on the daily candle, then we probably are going to go to 10,429, and similar here we have a 10,430 price point with a little dip down first, and then up to here another similar price. We have 10,200, but to keep an eye out on that dotted line, again 9,500 if we cross it, and we have an 11,500 price point, but keep an eye on that dotted line, 9,767. So some key areas to watch are these dotted lines. If they cross, that means significant action could happen here. Again, 9,767, 9,500, and 9,200 actually already happened, so that's already in the past. So just keep an eye out these two here right now. So that's it for the quick charts. For this section, again, we have medium term going up, 3 analysts around the 10,400, 10,200, and then we have one 11,500, assuming a key price point breaks. So let's go to the next section. If that was enough for you, we'll see you in the next quick charts. And now we're going to prediction reasoning, which is the same as these quick charts, but we're going to go into deeper analysis in their reasonings. So here we have AP. He's an Elliott wave technician, and he saw that 9,200 on the daily breaking, that we'd go up 10,429 area. And then we have Heijin Lee. We have here a triangle, which is below. We're going to see his ABCDE triangle, where we could dip down to 9,000 before breaking up to our next destination of 10,430. He also shows in his charts volume decline, ABCDE triangle, and he uses Elliott wave count, so we'll review that below, but this is his reasoning. And then we have JD. JD has a few scenarios that if we break that 9,500 area, most likely we're going to see that low 10,000 area. Actually, in his video, he says 9,500 break, probably see 9,900, 10,000, and then go into the low 10,200 before retracing a bit down. And his other scenario is that if we break the current zone right now, the consolidation zone of 9,200, then we're probably going to see 8,500 to 8,000 range going down. And then Silicon has also conditions for his bull and bear. We can either go down to 8,500 to 8,750, or if we have a break of 9,767, this dotted line here, we would probably see 11,500. So those are our 4 analysts today with key price points to look at. Again, watch out for those dotted lines, that if we break those dotted lines, we can have some significant price move. And that is the end of price prediction and reasoning. And now we're going to go into the candle charts, which is the analyst's actual charts. If this was enough for you, we'll see you in the next quick charts. If you want to stick around with us, we're going to go into detail now. So we have, again, AP. He's looking at things from the weekly here, and he sees a major area here around the ultimately 11,200, 11,300 area, which is like the ceiling here of the Wyckoff channel. But again, his prediction is that we had to break that 9,200, and we'll probably see $10,430 region. So we're going to that region now. And Heijin. Again, I mentioned before the ABCDE triangle, so we either going to hit that E 9,000 and go up to 10,430 zone, or we can actually go up to D and we can go straight through up to here without going to E. JD, mentioned 9,500 zone need to break, and then if we break 9,500, we'd go to 9,900, 10,000 into the low 10,000s, around 10,000. I assume 10,200 range would be the low 10,000. And also a breakdown for JD would mean seeing the 8,000 to 8,500 region. And then Filicone, again, two different viewpoints. He has a bearish, this is the bearish viewpoint where we could see 8,700 to 8,500. And then the bullish viewpoint is if we break that 97, let's see where you say here, one more time. A break of 97.67. Let's go down to his chart. That's the bearish, this is the bullish. So again, break of 97.67 would have us falling in this green zone and going up probably to 9,900. And he also mentioned if we break 9,900, again we would see 11,500. So this is actually just a trade where if you wanted to enter into a trade, you could actually put your target at 9,900, but he did mention 97.67 break would lead to 11,500 as there is no resistance on the way up. So that is the update on Bitcoin today. The 4 analysts, major prices to watch for. Again, look for these major areas here, 9,500, 97.67. Okay, these are some key areas to look at where price action could happen on a price move up. And also, if we see a breakdown of the cluster of the 9,200 area, break below 9,000, we may see 8,000, 8,500 on the bear scenario for Jade Marshall. So that is it for today's quick charts. It's May 3rd, 9 a.m. New York time. Hope you got some good information from this. To keep an eye out on the price movement right now and the key price areas to look out for. Again, all the opinions of the analyst and Coinside are just strictly opinions. It's not financial advice. If you do any trading, please do your own due diligence, as there's always risk of losing money. I'm glad that you joined myself and Coinsider today, and look forward for you to joining the next quick charts video. Have yourself a great May 3rd, and we'll see you shortly.